Welcome to this channel where we share tutorials on do-it-yourself projects, purely electrical. With time, we shall be introducing the plumbing section. Okay, today in this video, we are going to see how to test for continuity of our cables, continuity of the conductors within our circuit. Why do we test for continuity? In case of any fault in the circuit, there might be a breakage in the circuit and you can't tell that the circuit isn't complete. So that calls for testing for continuity. So testing for continuity, first of all, we need a multimeter. This is the multimeter. We need, when you get the multimeter of any model that you have, any type. So previously we knew that the multimeter has two knobs, one the common and the one we use to test. Here we are going to to operate. We are going to start this, the black lead, we shall put it in the common. Then this other one, we put it where there is red. This is common in every multimeter, whatever the type it is. So this is our cable. I'm using this as an example, but if it's a circuit, you go to one end, the beginning, and to the other end, the end of the circuit. One end to the other end. So for this case, this cable has three conductors, has the yellow, the brown, and the blue. So in the color coding, that it doesn't matter whatever color coding you're using. Others may use blue as neutral, brown as live, and yellow as earth. Others may interchange, whatever they decided to use. So today we are going to look at testing for continuity. So we first change this switch up to this sign. This sign shows continuity. On other multimeters, you'll be forced to put the knob to the resistance position. But for this multimeter, we are going to use this one. So testing for continuity. When you test for continuity, when you do this and there is sound, that implicates it is continuous. If you do it and there is no sound, that indicates it has a breakage somewhere. So we are going to start with our yellow conductor. We always start with the red one, the black one, sorry. Put it at one end, then the other at the other end. Here there is sound. Since there is sound, so that shows yellow is complete. So we go to blue, black first, then red. I'm doing this because this one is not connected to any electricity, any supply. But if it is connected to a supply, you first turn off the supply. We are going to brown. So this shows all my conductors are continuous. That is how we test for continuity. Thank you. Please subscribe to this channel, share, and comment in the comment section what you want me to share with you. Thank you very much. I'm Faizo.